Here is the EUHOMY 18-liter beverage refrigerator cooler. And this is a compact mini fridge made to keep your drinks perfectly chilled. This is great for anyone who wants cold drinks within reach at home, in their office, or at the bar without taking up too much space. The first thing I noticed is how sleek and modern it looks. It's lightweight at only 21 pounds, so it is easy to move around but still feels well built and pretty solid. It comes with a compressor that keeps a stable temperature between 40 and 61 degrees, a digital one-touch temperature control, a UV protected door to preserve the drink quality, removable shelves for flexible storage, and it runs at under 40 decibels, which is virtually silent. Here's how it works. I set my temperature with one touch, loaded up to 24 cans, and within a short time, everything is cold and ready to go. You can barely hear it running. What I really like is that the compressor keeps the temperature consistent no matter what. No warm spots, no fluctuating temperatures. It just stays cold. If you're looking for a quiet, reliable, and stylish mini fridge that doesn't take up too much space, the EUHOMY Beverage Cooler is definitely worth checking out.